Canva's AI video editing tools will save you time and sanity creating video content. Let's dive in to see 3 of my favorite AI video editing features in Canva. Hi, I'm Donna Moritz. I'm a visual content strategist at Socially Sorted. I'm a Canva verified expert, and it goes without saying, I love Canva. I'm a proud partner, and in this video, I've partnered with Canva to bring you the AI video editing good stuff. I could talk about these features all day with being a template creator that loves animation, but do yourself a favor and check out all of the features at this link, canva.com/video-editor/AI. I'm going to show you 3 features as we complete a couple of small projects. Firstly, AI voice. If you need a quick voiceover on your video, this tool uses text to voice AI video editing and it's super fun. Then video background remover. This one speaks for itself. Instantly remove the background of just about any video. I mean, can you believe we have this technology now? It's just awesome. And then Magic Animate. Trust me, you'll want to stick with me to the end because this third AI video editing tool blows my mind with how much editing you can get done with just one click. It truly adds stunning animations to your video editing project with AI. Now, I should mention that the first tool I'll show you is free to use with some pro upgrades, and the second and third tools are pro features at the time of this recording. Okay, let's use AI voice to add a voiceover to an Instagram carousel I'm about to post. I've put together a carousel of the recent Canva Community Lab that I was a speaker at in Sydney, and I want to be able to add some voiceover to this, but just in a fun way. So we're going to do a point of view or a POV voiceover, but I don't want to use my voice. I want to make it kind of fun, almost like a narrator. So I'll use the AI voice feature to add a voiceover to the first and the last slides. So to add AI voice to my video snippet, I just come up here and highlight the text and then choose the magic right button here, and then I need to scroll right down and you can see this is a new option, generate AI voice. Once that opens up, I get an option of lots of avatars and different languages. So let's play the US one.
POV, you launched a new community to demo Canva's new features.
POV, you launched a new community to demo Canva's new features.
Okay, I like those, but I'm an Aussie, so even though it's not my voice, I want to still stick with the Australian flavour. So let's try the Aussie voices.
POV, you launched a new community to demo Canva's new features.
POV, you launched a new community to demo Canva's new features.
I like that. Let's try this guy.
POV, you launched a new community to demo Canva's new features.
Oh, I like Brandon. So let's generate the AI voice, and then it attaches underneath as an audio file ready to go. Now, as you can see, we created a landing page as part of the presentation for Sydney Canva lovers, our new community that we launched while doing demo of Canva's features. And in the very last slide, I just want to highlight some of Canva Create's features. And I thought it would be fun to have the same narrator or AI voice do the voice. So let's highlight this one and we'll go back to our good mate, Brandon. Here's Brandon.
Find out more about all the new Canva launches at canva.com/canva-create.
Sounding good, Brandon?
POV, you launched a new community to demo Canva's new features.
And just the end here. Brandon again.
Find out more about all the new Canva launches at canva.com/canva-create.
Now I should note, when you go into AI voice, you can also just add text. So just add any text and it will convert it to voice.
Enter your text here.
And you can choose from a whole swag of different accents and dialects from the drop down. And just note that you get some free avatars with this feature, but it's a pro feature to get additional avatars. You get more choices of voices. Let's tidy up the carousel a little bit more by using video background remover. So you saw how we've already removed the background on this. You can see this video that's finished has its background removed for the final carousel, and then I've been able to add some little design elements around it, and add some slow motion. So let me show you how I did that. Here is the original video. It's just a basic video that we took inside Canva's offices before we did the presentation. Now, obviously, I would want to come up here and mute the video if I'm going to be, adding it in a carousel. And click on the video, and then just click background remover. It's that easy. And look, boom, it's already done. That's how fast it is. Now, because I have the red background already from the slider copied over, it's already got a red background. All I need to do is add my little design elements. And if I wanted to, I could come up the speed and just slow it down a bit. Like that's what we did with the original. We just slowed it down to a bit of slow motion. So you can use a lot of different video effects. There's so many video features in Canva now, it's just getting better and better. But that is how you do video background remover. Side note, it's pretty accurate. So as long as you've got some reasonably clarified edges, it even works for things like curly hair. I can't believe we have this technology. I use it all the time. I'm sure you will use it now that you've seen it in action. Now it's time to look at Magic Animate, and I'm going to do a different variation of that same piece of content to show you how this works. I've converted my carousel to an Instagram reel, and normally if I wanted to animate this, I would have to come in, click, add each transition manually, or text animations or photo animations, and it takes some time. Even for me as a template creator, it's a lot of work. So you can see here, if I click animate, you get a whole bunch of different styles and options. If I click the photo here, I can choose a photo animation. There's a lot of different styles. All you have to do is run your mouse over. But again, I'm doing this manually. I can choose something like this photo flow effect to get a subtle movement. But I don't want to do it manually. I want to take the shortcut. So I'm going to click any page of my design, come up the top here to animate, and then choose Magic Animate, and Canva will do it all in one click. Now I get given a whole suite of different styles, so I can run my mouse over the styles, see which one I like, and when I'm ready, all I have to do is click the one I want. Now I'm going to choose energetic, I think, because that's the one that I think is coming up the nicest, and then Canva will, boom, in one click, apply animations right across my entire design. So you can see it's animated that front page, it's added transitions, it's even added animations to the photos. So as I play this through, you can see here there's some subtle photo animation, just zooming in and out. It's adding its version of text animations, choosing how it wants things to appear on the page. Again, here's a subtle photo animation or a zoom. It's even adding these nice transitions, and it's pulling the colors from the branding I've added to the template or to the design, and everything's in place. It's changing directions. It's giving just a nice lift to the design. It's not over the top. I like how Magic Animate doesn't give you too much animation. It's just nice and subtle. It flows really well, and I don't have to think. So to be able to just click once and have every single page, like multiple pages animated on a design, is a huge game changer, especially if you're not an editor and you're able to come in and quickly add animation using this amazing AI video editing tool. I hope these video editing tools have you feeling pretty zen about the time you'll save with Canva's Magic AI. And remember, if you want to see the full suite of AI video editing tools in Canva, go to canva.com/video-editor/AI. Everything you need for AI-powered video editing is here, including Magic Design, which allows you to create videos just from a simple prompt, which is really amazing. All the tools for things like removing background, timing, and more granular controls of your video, how to convert text to video, images to video, finding video assets. So much is in this link and this landing page. So be sure to check it out if you want to dive more into AI video editing in Canva. That's a wrap on Canva AI video editing tools. Now, if your business or organization is looking for training in Canva Teams or Canva Enterprise, or a speaker for your next event, reach out. I love nothing more than helping teams of designers and non-designers ditch the agencies, to create amazing, on-brand, high-impact visual content in-house. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me create more content for you, and let me know what your favorite Canva AI video editing feature is, and check out the video on the screen for more Canva tips for you and your team. That's it from me. Stay creative.